Blissful Mutton Biryani Bonanza, Iftar and Ramadan Special, affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have something special in store for you, a delightful and budget-friendly recipe for homemade blissful mutton biryani, perfect for iftar during Ramadan. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is tailored just for you. So, let's dive into the world of aromatic spices, succulent mutton, and fragrant basmati rice. Before we get started, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for our blissful mutton biryani bonanza. Don't worry, these are easily available at your local grocery store, and won't break the bank. Ingredients: 1. 500 grams mutton, washed and cleaned. 2. 2 cups basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes. 3. 3 large onions, thinly sliced. 4. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 5. Half cup plain yogurt. 6. 1/4 cup cooking oil. 7. 2 tablespoons ghee. 8. 1/4 cup chopped mint leaves. 9. 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves. 10. 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. 11. 4 to 5 green chilies, finely chopped. 12. Whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 4 green cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 13. Biryani masala, 1 tablespoon. 14. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. 15. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. 16. Salt to taste. Preparation. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparation. 1. Marinate the mutton. In a bowl, combine mutton, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, biryani masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix well, ensuring the mutton pieces are coated evenly. Let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight in the refrigerator for enhanced flavors. 2. Cooking the basmati rice. Boil enough water in a large pot and add soaked basmati rice. Add a pinch of salt and cook the rice until it's 70% done. 3. Frying onions. Heat oil in a deep pan, add thinly sliced onions, and fry until golden brown. Remove half of the fried onions for later garnishing. 4. Cooking mutton. In the same pan with the remaining onions, add the marinated mutton. Cook until the mutton is browned and the masala is well cooked. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they are soft and the oil separates. 5. Layering the biryani. Grease the bottom of a heavy-bottomed pan with ghee. Begin by layering half of the partially cooked basmati rice. Add a layer of the cooked mutton and masala. Sprinkle chopped mint and coriander leaves. Repeat the layers until all the rice and mutton are used up. 6. Final touches. Sprinkle the reserved fried onions on the top. Cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid or aluminum foil. 7. Dum cooking. Place the biryani pot on a tawa, griddle, to avoid direct heat. And there you have it, our homemade blissful mutton biryani bonanza, a treat for your taste buds and perfect for iftar during Ramadan. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. The aroma in my kitchen right now is absolutely mesmerizing. The combination of tender mutton and fragrant spices is just heavenly. I encourage you to give this recipe a try, especially if you're new to cooking. It's affordable, delicious, and the satisfaction of creating such a flavorful dish is priceless. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our delicious updates. Wishing you all a blessed Ramadan filled with joy, reflection, and, of course, fantastic food. Until next time, happy cooking. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much, blissful mutton biryani bonanza lovers.